Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can increase the screen recording time on your computer. Since most gamers like to face that issue, so without any further ado, let's get into it. So first go on your settings. Then click on gaming. And this are results you will get. The go on captures. You will get results like this. And here you can see where you can locate your recordings. And now if you slide down, you will see where you can choose the maximum recording time you want your record to last, and if you click on it, you can see that you can set it to however time you want, so let's set it on 4 hours, and now it's been set to straight 4 hours. And here you can choose your sound quality. And if you slide down, you will see that from here you can choose video quality. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.